When you try to manifest good things, stop accidentally manifesting bad things. Let's unpack this gobbledygook. To manifest things, you think about, imagine, invoke emotion, proclaim the thing that you want, so that it can come to pass. Guess what you're doing when you accidentally manifest the thing that you don't want? You think about it, you imagine it, you invoke emotion about it, you proclaim it. Yes, even if you say, I don't want it to happen. Just think about it. Think about some of the things you are doing when you are doing a manifestation routine. 1. Thought. 2. Imagining. Seeing it in your mind's eye invokes emotion. Emotion is energy in motion. Become aware of this. To manifest something, you must also be in that thing's energy. In other words, you must assume being in that thing's energy. Everything is energy. Each thing is its energy. Energy is attracted to its likeness. So when you are thinking about the thing that you don't want, one day the thing that you don't want will come knocking at your door. Even worse, the more vivid the imagination about that thing that you don't want, the more bad taste that you get in your mouth. When you think about this thing that you don't want, the more emotion you feel, the faster the damn thing is going to manifest into your life. So what is the trick to ensure you don't manifest bad things into your life? See if you can spot a glimpse of it as we unpack the nasty. Being human, we have fears. There are things that we don't want to experience. There are things that we don't want in our lives. So it's inevitable that we think about them as we try to wish them away. So here's the thing about wishing something away. It comes back. Why? And how on earth is that even possible? Wishing something away means you're thinking about it. Manifestation usually starts with thought. Then imagination, seeing it in your mind's eye. Emotion is invoked as we wish it away and think how nasty the thing is. But what are thought, imagination, and emotion? They're some of the ingredients of manifestation. They get you into an energy. The energy of the thing that is the object of your thought, imagination, and emotion. Now, can you see what just happened? You've just assumed the energy of that bad something while you were in the involuntary process of wishing the bad thing away. You've just become the energy of that bad something. And here's the kicker, detachment. Detachment will ensure things that you don't like manifest faster and more often than the things you like, want, or need. So, detachment is one other powerful ingredient of manifestation. Let's explain it this way. Let's say you want to manifest something that you want or need. If you try to manifest what you want or need, but you remain attached to the outcome once you've done your manifestation routine, by the way, comment below if you'd like to know the manifestation routine that you can do to kickstart your meaningful life full of opportunity. If you try to manifest what you want or need, but you remain attached to the outcome once you've done your manifestation routine, you are likely to reverse the manifestation. You are likely to start thinking, when is it coming? Why is it not here yet? Then you start to think about the possibility of the thing not coming through. Remember, thought is the usual start of the manifestation of things. As humans, we are wired to acknowledge the so-called reality. Meaning, we are wired to start accepting that the thing we want or need might not even happen anyway. Then, we are likely to start wallowing in that unpleasant acknowledgement of the so-called reality. So, when you are attached to the outcome, you end up working against your manifestation and instead manifesting things you don't want. This is the secret to why detachment works so well in us accidentally manifesting things that we don't want. Now pay attention here as we unpack detachment as this other ingredient to manifest things we don't want. Remember that when you are accidentally manifesting that thing that you don't want, meaning the thing that you're wishing away, you are not expecting it to happen at all. Why? Because you have just wished the thing away, haven't you? So what do you do unintentionally after you accidentally do a routine to manifest the thing you don't want? You actually forget all about it and run through your day not thinking about that thing that you don't want, which you've just accidentally done a routine to manifest. After you've done this accidental manifestation routine of the thing you don't want, you go about your day and become present in the rest of the things you do throughout the day. You are now very detached from the outcome of the bad thing you've just accidentally done a routine to manifest. In fact, you are not even aware that you've just done this accidental manifestation routine. This explains why you are so effortlessly detached from that outcome. And so the bad thing knocks on your door one day, too soon. This is the magic of detachment from the outcome. It'll bring the bad thing you manifested and plunk it right into your lap when you least expect it. Most unfortunately, this surprise parcel is not what you intended to order now, is it? However, does it show you the magic of detachment as another very powerful ingredient to manifestation? No doubt it does. In case this has not yet sunk in, check this out. This thing that you were wishing away then makes an unwanted appearance in your life one day, unfortunately too soon. Then you throw your hands up in the air and say manifestation doesn't work. You see, as humans, we manifest things all the time, even the ones we don't want, because we accidentally practice detachment when it comes to things we don't want, but we accidentally practice attachment when it comes to things we want. Attachment comes when we fail to detach after we're done doing our manifestation routine. And then we are so surprised when the thing we want doesn't pitch up, and instead, the thing that we don't want marches right in. Now, in the next video you'll see what to do when you realize that you've accidentally manifested something you don't want. Until then, please people, stop manifesting against yourself. And remember to keep grinding. Remember to keep positive. It doesn't serve you to keep believing this might not work out. Because what if it does work out? So, go on and keep knowing you got this. Okay? Shine love and give blessings. And stay grateful. Now tell YouTube that you want to see more of this type of motivational stuff. About manifesting things like money, love, health, happiness, peace, prosperity, and all the rest of the good things. So hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell. Also the like button if you like us being real with you. See you in the next videos.